Hi friends, if you want to test Linux before installing it, you need a USB boot stick. For example, with this computer here, I found out that the sound card does not work. To spare you from surprises like this, you should test and listen well now because I will show you how I create a USB boot disk. Here's my Windows computer and I have installed Rufus, which we will use to put a Linux image onto a USB stick. And I have downloaded the latest Linux Mint image, which will be put onto the USB stick. It is extremely important that you have a fast USB stick, otherwise this can easily take hours. So I said we use Rufus, I call the application, I allow it to do changes to my computer, and now something strange happens. I have to click on list USB hard devices. Otherwise, I will not see the USB boot stick that I just plugged into the computer. Okay, now I click on select and I select the Linux image that I just downloaded. And the next important thing is that you set a persistent partition size. Otherwise, you will not be able to store your wireless LAN password and keyboard settings and so on. And that will be cumbersome. So you can click on Start Now. Now, this has taken 57 seconds, and if you want to see how to use the USB boot stick, you should watch my video booting from USB boot stick, because it will show you how to press F12 during the boot process to get into the boot menu. And if then you find out that something is wrong, like sound is not working, then you would need to update the kernel. And in this case, you need to start new with another way of creating a USB boot disk, which I describe in the video, create a writable USB boot disk.